To improve your sex life, one has to get the necessary information they can use on how to last longer in bed for men to ensure that they as well as their partners are satisfied to have a healthy sexual relationship. One of the tips to follow is to be always prepared for the sexual encounter. This helps a lot because when one is not in the mood, they will probably not perform the way they are supposed to. It is also important not to rush into the process as one needs to ensure that both parties are well prepared for the process for everyone to have a good time. There are times when one is not able to enjoy the process to the maximum as they have too many distractions in their mind. It is important to be relaxed and breathe properly to get rid of any disruptions you might have. This is usually not time to think about the bills you have or the problems that you and your partner are experiencing, as one needs to focus on the process 100% to ensure that everything is in order. In case there is something that your partner does when having sex and you don't like it, it is usually best to talk it out before you engage in the activity. Tell them what you want to be done. One of the most important tips that one needs to follow on how to last longer in bed for men is you will feel appreciated to enjoy the process more. Don't be selfish, as you should also listen to your partner's needs to ensure you both have the time of your life during intercourse. Many people usually have the pressure to perform, which might lead them not to do it right. Having sex must not be seen as a task or assignment where one has to perform highly, but one should look at it as something they are supposed to enjoy. This helps to take away all the pressure and one is able to perform in the right way. In case you try everything and it fails, talk to a therapist who will let you know what you are doing wrong. Here you might get the right prescribed medication that might help enhance your performance to have a great time during intercourse.